What's up, guys? So in this video I'll be showing you how you can claim your CTO airdrop from Satoshi mining app. Remember, we have linked our wallet some days ago, and right now you have the chance to claim. The claiming period was open yesterday, which is 27th of September, and it's expected to end by 27th of October. So it means that we have approximately 1 month to do this. So right now, I'll be showing you the method to claim this airdrop into your wallet, and the wallet we are going to be using is Bitget. Don't worry, I understand that most of us use MetaMask OES to link this wallet, and which is why I will be showing you how you can import that your MetaMask wallet into your Bitget wallet application. So all these things will work hands in hand. So you will be learning how you can import one wallet from one application to another. So in this case, from OES MetaMask to Bitget wallet. And if your CTO token is not under this frozen, it means that you have not connected your wallet for withdrawal, and this option is no more available, and then for this reason you have no token to claim. Sorry for those people who fall into this category, but if your token is on this frozen, it means that you have done the needful, and the next thing for you is to claim. So right now the first thing to do is to go and get your wallet phrases. So if you use MetaMask, go and get your MetaMask phrases. Let me show you how you can quickly get that. And if you already know how to get that, just skip this process to the next stage. So this is my MetaMask wallet, and to get your phrases, what you have to do is to click on this setting right here, and here you will see security and privacy. If you click on it, you will be asked some little question and review secret recovery phrases. So this is what you have to review. Just write it somewhere or copy it, then open your Bitget wallet. Wallet, not exchange. So this is my Bitget wallet, and if you want to import that your MetaMask or OES wallet to this Bitget application, what you have to do is to click on this button up here, and under it you will see add a wallet. Just click on it, and here you will see import a wallet. Just click on this private key wallet, you click on it, input your security passcode, and here it will request you to input your phrases. Just input it and click on confirm. So because I have already imported my wallet, that's why I click on back. So in your own case, just click on confirm and wait till the wallet is imported successfully. The next thing you have to do right now is to fund your wallet with a little amount of core. So if you click on this wallet, you will see you have to switch from here, switch from Ethereum to core, and here you just have to fund your wallet with a little core, just like 0.77. Just make sure that something is here. So right now, if you want to get core, you can get core from Bitget exchange, but the minimum amount of core you can get from you can transfer out from the Bitget exchange is 1 core. So, and you don't even need up to that, and 1 core is about 1.1 something USDT, and you don't need up to that. You just need little fraction of core, so you can get it from anyone that you know that is can sell to you. So just get that and make sure that you have something here. So after funding your wallet, what next you have to do is to click on this discover, and on this address bar you click on it, and here you have to input airdrop.quota.io, and I will be leaving the link in the comment or description of this video. So here is the website, and it will request you to link your wallet. You just have to link your wallet, and then you will see. So if you see you are not CTO, it means that you don't connect this wallet to CTO, but if you connect your wallet to your CTO, you will see an option for you to claim. So let me show you the right one now. But if you truly farm the CTO and you have your token under the frozen, then if you come to this website again, you will see option where it say claim A. Once you click on it, you just have to verify that you are woman, and by completing the captcha, and after that you should see a place for you to claim. So just make sure to, you can see signature info. So just agree to the contract by inputting your password or fingerprints, and here you will see that your airdrop allocation is being calculated. And if you go back to your wallet, just refresh or wait for some moments, you should see your CTO token right in your wallet, and that's how you claim your CTO successfully. So if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.